I think he thought that he could hide in the Chuck E. Cheese uniform.
Come with me, Chucky. Come on. Come with Chucky. Chucky, stop resisting.
I don't know what y'all talking about or what's going on.
On July 23, 2025, Tallahassee Police Department officers arrested a Chuck E. Cheese employee for credit card fraud while he was actively performing in the mascot costume in front of children.
Oh my god. Alright, I'm going live.
Yeah, for sure. This is going to be epic. Oh boy.
Oh my god. Ask management who's in the mouse suit.
Yeah, I already asked if the main manager was here. We don't know his name. Thank you, sir. Yes, we are.
Do it. I want you to. Go around and ask. Go around.
You want me to come in front of these kids? Okay. Ma'am, who's in the mouse suit? Was it the gentleman that was just up here? Okay. Chucky's a little bit busy, ma'am. Chucky, come with me, Chucky. Come on. Come with Chucky. Chucky, stop resisting. Stop resisting. You're being detained. Stop resisting. Let it go. Let it go. Do not cause a scene here, sir.
I got mine.
Come on. So we're going this way, sir. Let's go. Let's go. We're going to talk to you in a minute, okay? We got to do our job, ma'am. It's not my call, ma'am. Come on. I'm going to talk to you in a minute and let you know what's going on, okay?
Hey, he's the suspect. He stole someone's card here and has been using it. Someone that was one of your employees, like last week or something like that. So, yeah, I understand. Yeah, we'll have to get it back to you in a second. He's a criminal. What would you like to know?
I would like y'all to walk him out the door instead of traumatizing all these tourists and somebody like Chucky. Would y'all put Mickey Mouse in handcuffs?
Have a good night.
Have a good night. I will.
All right, that's fine.
I ain't no shit about nothing.
I got you.
I'm working, entertaining kids for a living.
I got you, buddy. Come over here. You got anything on you? It's gonna poke me, stick me, stab me? You got anything on you? I'm gonna pat you down, okay? What's that? What's in your pocket here? Just your wallet and stuff?
Does this come off, man? Does this just come off the top? I want to hurt you.
I work here.
There you go.
I'm just doing my job.
I understand you work here.
What the fuck is this about?
We're gonna talk
We're
to
gonna
you.
talk to you in a second.
How does this come off, man? Is it just like a normal?
Can I get that? I gotta take this back. This is my work stuff.
Okay, we'll take care of that.
Yeah, we'll do it. Put him in the car and read him, and then go from there.
Man, what is
Search him as best you
going
can.
on, man?
I know he's probably got.
Just hold on right here. You don't have anything that's gonna poke me or stick me, right?
No, sir,
All
man.
right. Don't worry about reaching or anything, okay? Where the you got pants on underneath this?
I gotta take all this stuff off, man. I gotta get a dress. What is going on?
Just pat him down. Just pat him down for now. Just make sure there's nothing crazy. You have any weapons, knives?
I don't carry with me.
All right, have a seat in here, sir. I'm gonna read you something, okay?
What is going on?
I'm about to explain that to you right after I read you this, okay?
I don't know what y'all talking about or what's going on.
Alrighty, sir. I'm Officer Cruz with the Tallahassee Police Department. I'm conducting an official criminal investigation concerning fraud. Any false statements about material matters given by a witness under the oath will consult penalty. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong one. Alright, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have them present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise those rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights as I've explained them to you?
Yeah, I understand, but what is
You
going
understand?
on?
Okay.
I don't know anything.
Have you previously requested any law enforcement officer to allow you to speak to an attorney?
I haven't. I don't know
Okay.
anything about none of this.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
What is going on?
Having these rights in mind, do you want us to talk to you? Do you wish to talk to us about what's going on?
I just want to know what's going on. I have to
Okay,
get back to
so
work.
sir, having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
Why y'all even harassing me and I didn't even do anything? I'm in here working, doing what
Sir, I
do
need you to
for
answer the
me.
questions before I talk to you. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
What I talk to y'all of and I don't know what's going on.
It's a yes or no, sir. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
Whatever, man.
Yeah, if he's
Is that a yes? Okay. All right, so we are investigating some fraud stuff with the credit card. Have you been using anyone else's credit card anywhere?
No, sir.
Have you been shopping lately with a credit card?
No, sir. Only card I use is my own Cash App. That's it.
So you don't use a credit card anywhere?
No, sir.
Okay. You've never obtained a credit card from here, found one lost or whatever else, and used it anywhere else? So there wouldn't be any video of you anywhere shopping with a credit card?
like at the meat market.
At the meat market that doesn't belong to you?
I don't know anything about a meat market.
You don't shop at the meat market? So you haven't gone anywhere and used a credit card to shop anywhere in the past week?
None.
Okay. Push him on the location.
Okay. Well, yeah. What about? All right. Well, I tell you what.
I don't know
You
anything
don't have to show
about.
him, but just
I was going to look at the video for myself. I don't remember the names of the places.
I don't even know anything about none of this.
Okay.
As far as I know.
So we got.
Because I cannot afford to lose this job. This is all I know in law.
I gotcha. Have you ever been to a place called 720 in Tallahassee?
720 Orange Avenue, the meat market.
Oh, the meat market.
Or Harry's meat market.
Yeah,
The one that you're on film stealing.
What about Cloud Smoke Shop? You ever been there?
The one
Okay.
you're also on film stealing.
What about the Whataburger? You go to the Whataburger and get some food with a credit card? Okay. Neighborhood meat market. You went there multiple times.
I use my own card. Now I don't use other people's stuff for nothing.
Okay. At the meat market, you use your own card?
My own card. That's it.
So you do go to the meat market then?
I go there, but I don't use nobody's card but my own.
When's the last time you went there? The meat market?
A few days ago.
A few days ago? Okay. And you used your own card there?
Just my own. Nobody else's.
Is that the app thing you were talking about? Your
Cash
Apple
App.
Pay
That's
thing?
it. Cash App.
They take Cash App there? Okay. What about the Time Savers too?
Cash App.
Cash App. So you've been there recently?
About 2 weeks ago.
Okay. What about Tony Mart? No?
I haven't been there
You
recently.
haven't been to Tony Mart? Okay. And Time Savers again. So you go to these places and use your Cash App on your phone to pay for stuff? Never with a card. Okay, so if we got video of you using a card.
I use my own card, no one else's.
Well, you said it's a phone, right? It's a.
I have that card, but it's not with me today.
You have the card, but it's not. What cards do you have on you today?
I don't got no card on me, but bus cards. That's it.
That's it? Okay.
And a pack of cigarettes. That's it.
Okay, so you're denying all claims of going over to these places and using someone else's credit card.
I don't use nobody's card but my own.
Okay. You know how much meat you bought or about how much stuff you spent in the past few weeks on your Apple card or your Cash App card or whatever card you had?
Not too sure.
Not too sure?
Because
No
I'm
ballpark?
forever working.
Okay.
No ballpark figure.
What were you buying from like the 420, the smoke shops? Just cigarettes or?
Cigarettes. I just smoke
Cigarettes.
cigarettes.
Okay. What about the other shops? What were you buying from there? Don't know.
Don't remember.
Don't remember? Okay, so just meat and cigarettes.
If you want to show him the video, you can show him the video.
I mean,
I don't know nothing about all this stuff. I don't use no card but my own card. I don't know nothing about this other shit.
does that look like you? Something you wear?
No, sir, I don't want no stuff like that.
You don't wear anything like that? That's not you? That's not you.
Hey, look at me. It's going to be in your best interest to tell the truth, okay? Don't pretend like that's not you in the picture. All right? You know it's you. Just start telling us the truth.
I don't want to go to jail
I
today.
mean, if you're lying to us, you're only going to make things worse on yourself, buddy.
Truly.
All that's going to go in the report, and all the judge is going to see all that shit.
I'm not trying to go to jail today.
I understand that, but we got to investigate what happened here. So if you want to, I mean, if you want to let us know what's going on, that would help everyone here, including yourself. It's the video.
Can you hold his head, please? What? Get his name and information.
All right. You got your? Do you have your ID card on you in your pockets? You don't have your ID card on you? We're gonna find out if you got it on you. So if you're lying to me, it's not gonna go well, man. What's your name?
Hold on a minute, officer. Can I go inside and get my
No,
ID?
sir. You have a seat. You can't go inside
where
yet.
it is, and we'll go get it for you.
What?
Just tell us where your ID card is. And we'll
I don't have it at all today.
Okay.
it's
What's
not
your
inside.
first name?
My first name's Chimel.
Spell it for me.
Jermell.
Jermell.
Yes,
What's your middle name?
J.
What's your last name? Sir, what's your last name?
Jones. I just work here. That's it.
Jones? Is it Jones? Jones? Spell it for me. Sir, what's your last name? Spell it.
Jones, I just said that.
Okay, spell it for me, please.
Pay attention.
Jones? How do you
Yes.
spell it? Okay, Jones.
Damn.
What's your date of birth, Mr. Jones?
All I do is this for a living. That's
I got
it.
you. Have a seat in there. I'm going to check something. Go ahead and sit down.
Do those feet slide off? You can slide the feet off if you want.
Take these off.
The manager wants a uniform.
We'll have to figure that out. Here, give me his info.
All right, well,
What's his name?
Jermell.
Jermell? Jermell?
Hey, can you all hook me so I can take this off?
J.
Hold on a second. I'm sorry, Jermell?
Yes, sir.
Where's your feet?
I gotta go get my other shoes and everything.
Okay. Yeah,
We'll get them for you.
We'll take care of that.
I'm not trying to go to jail today.
We understand that.
I don't want to go to jail today.
We didn't want to come here and have to take you to jail, sir.
I don't want to go to jail today.
All right. You stand up. Is there a belt on those pants?
You gotta uncuff me so I can take all this stuff off.
No, we're gonna take it off for you. Is there a belt on your pants?
I gotta take this stuff off to get to my regular shit.
I don't think you're understanding.
Hold on. I want to talk to y'all
so
too about something
so-
real quick.
It
Hey, you gotta
attaches up
uncuff me.
there.
Okay.
Yeah, the attacher's up there. It's gonna have to come off your hair. We'll work on this and get it to you as soon as we can. Okay.
Zay, call Joe. I'm not trying to lose this job. Something that I don't even know shit about.
If we take these cuffs off,
10-4.
are we gonna have to get in a fight? Or are you
No,
gonna
sir. I'm
cooperate?
gonna cooperate.
All right. Good.
I'm gonna cooperate like a regular person.
Thank you.
All I do is do this 9 to 5 every day. That's it. I go to work, come home. That's it. Huh? Yo, I think this about to cost me money. I'm about to
I
lose.
hope not, man. I know the owner's a pretty good guy, or the main
The
manager.
GM.
The GM. He's a good guy. I don't know if it's gonna cost you your job, man.
I don't want to go to jail for nothing I ain't do. If I find a card or something, I turn it in if I'm in there.
We'll get it figured out, man. We'll get it figured out.
If I was to find a card or something, I'm giving it up. I don't do nothing with other people's cards.
My body camera is on, and it's recording you saying that. Okay. Go ahead and take your shirt off, please.
Oh, harassing a black man working.
Not really.
All I do is work. This.
Okay. I believe you.
We're just doing our job right now, too, sir. Okay.
Oh no. Can I smoke a cigarette?
Not right now.
Not right now.
Not right now.
We'll get to that in a second. Thank you. All right, stand up. Face away from me. Put your hands behind your back.
I don't want to go to jail today. I might have been on camera in that store you saw, but not using what y'all think.
Okay. Your outfit is regular uniform. and then I think he thought that he could hide in the Chuck E. Cheese uniform, and that's
Did he
why he went to
volunteer
get
for
trained.
it, or does he
So
usually
Chucky,
put it on?
so he
Yeah.
has to be Chucky. He's a
He
Chucky
has-
person. Yeah.
He usually is.
Yeah, so I mean, I understand what y'all doing.
Yeah.
The suit, I got a lot of kids.
Yeah, I
they
understand.
come to see Chucky. They literally crying there right now.
Mhm.
I got
Sorry
to do a
about
whole
that.
story for them.
Okay. Yes. Throw it away. Actually, check the receipt.
Yeah, see if they're this maybe.
The suspect, Jermell Jones, allegedly stole a victim's child support Visa debit card and made 14 unauthorized transactions totaling $105.57. Legal Issue 1. The officer entered the establishment under a false pretext, claiming to use the restroom, to identify Jones before making the arrest. The Fourth Amendment is the threshold. In Lewis v. United States, 1966, the Supreme Court held that investigative ruses in commercial spaces open to the public do not constitute a Fourth Amendment violation. A public dining floor carries no elevated privacy expectation. The entry was lawful. Legal Issue 2. Miranda. Officer Cruz initially read from the wrong card, a perjury warning, before self-correcting and delivering the complete Miranda advisement. Florida courts have held that an immediate correction cures the defect, provided rights are understood before questioning begins. The waiver is more complex. Jones never said yes or no. The officer asked 4 consecutive times. Under Berghuis v. Thompkins 2010, silence or ambiguity is not an invocation. Questioning may continue, but the voluntariness of any resulting statement remains a live issue at trial. Legal Issue 3. The search incident to arrest. Under Chimel v. California, 1969, the scope covers the suspect's person and the area within immediate control. The mascot costume falls within that scope. Officers may request its removal to conduct an effective safety pat-down. At 13 minutes 30 seconds, as handcuffs are applied, Jones states, "I might have been on camera in that store you saw, but not using what y'all think." This voluntary post-Miranda statement directly contradicts his earlier categorical denial of any presence at the fraud locations. The inconsistency between that statement and his initial blanket denial is admissible as circumstantial evidence of consciousness of guilt, a recognized evidentiary principle under Florida law. Officer Cruz receives a B. Tactical deployment was deliberate. De-escalation in a children's venue was measured and appropriate. The grade reflects 1 deduction. Reading the wrong Miranda card in the field is a procedural error on a foundational constitutional requirement. Jermell Jones receives a C+. His cooperation after initial resistance de-escalated the encounter. However, he waived Miranda without counsel and made a partial admission that directly undermines any future defense. The Fifth Amendment right to remain silent existed at every point in this interrogation. The Tallahassee Police Department receives a B+. Multi-officer deployment, controlled entry, and venue-aware use of force were all appropriate. The Miranda training gap is the only institutional concern this footage surfaces. 3 takeaways. First, a ruse to enter a public business is not a Fourth Amendment violation. Officers need no warrant to enter through an open front door. Second, Miranda must be read correctly the first time. A self-correction may cure the legal defect. It is not a substitute for proper procedure. Third, speaking without counsel is rarely strategically sound. Every voluntary statement post-arrest is a potential exhibit. The right to silence is not a technicality. It is a substantive protection that suspects routinely waive at their own expense. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.